The rubber on this step is all coming off. It's nasty. It's all sticky. They call this the molded bar if you're looking it up in the parts fiche. There's some kind of spring situation in there, so let's get that thing off and see what's going on in there. On this bracket, there's 3 screws holding it on. They are T30. So we got one down here. You can see it's notched, so you can get, I guess, a screwdriver through it. And then you got these 2 up here. I can get at these ones, no problem. But this one, my bit doesn't fit through that. .3/8" drill bit. I'll just notch this thing out. Ooh, don't break it. Oh yeah, buddy. Not a lot of room to get. Oh, it just fits. This would be a spring. Alright, that side just comes off. Yeah, I don't really know how. Oh! Alright. It's out. God knows how I'm gonna get it back in. Oh, I see a problem. I got it on all backwards. Idiot. Boom. Nice.